Yo, all right, so I definitely started recording a little late. Just I wasn't really trying to make a video about this. Really wanted to get it done. I might make a little Instagram reel of it. If you don't follow me on Instagram, by the way, follow me on Instagram at Vayvante, just as the YouTube name is. So yeah, I'm doing a valve cover gasket. These cars are known for leaking valve cover gaskets, and I was getting a lot of smoke like towards the back of the engine, and it was getting annoying. There's a lot of other things I need to get out the way because this car needs to run good for me. You know, it's the daily driver, so I can't be half-assed and stuff. So yo, this is what she looks like. I hope you can get a good angle because I did make a little video of me doing the POV. And not a lot of you guys got to see what it looked like. But yeah, this is a 2007 328. It's my interior. Hope you can see pretty well. I'll even do footage drop the GoPro. But anyway, yeah, so I basically removed everything that needs to be removed. I'm on the very last step, which is extracting the bolts, which they're all like pretty much off. It's just prying this thing up has been giving me a little bit of trouble. So we're making breakfast while I take a break from doing my valve cover. This is a Jamaican porridge, as they would say. This is made with bulgur wheat and oats right here. Look like she's just about done, and it's time to sweeten her up. Oof. Not trying to get popped. So yeah, while I take a break working on the car, I had to make myself a little breakfast because I did start working on it about 6 or 7 a.m. So yeah, like I said, this is what she looks like. This is my interior. Yeah, don't question the bumper. The guy I bought it from, I think he was saying the guy he got it from had something fucked up with the bumper and he ended up cutting it. Not really a fan. I mean, if it had like the nice cool looking drift bash bars in the back, it would look a little better with an exhaust coming out, which I might do that. But I have a parts car at my job, so it's not really necessary. So yeah, I'm gonna have to get back to work. Like I said, I'm on the very last step here of taking this off. I've just been prying at it. But it's not as hard as people make it seem. It's just you have to be patient and you need to focus. So yeah, I had my time to zone out and focus, and I just took my time with it. And I'm gonna have to get back on that. So wish me luck, and I'll catch you guys most likely when the job is done.
2 hours later.
All right, as you see, the valve cover is finally off. Yo, I was struggling for a bit trying to get it off. There were so many like little tedious things getting in the way, but it's finally off. And there's some questionable things going on down here that I need to clean out. But yeah, and this oil was overdue for a change, buddy. So this is what my motor looks like, kind of naked. And this is the old gasket. This is the gasket. Woo! Golly. Little ghetto job done here. All this like... Yo, dude. Okay, I'll set this here. All right. So one thing I noticed, this car was burning oil a little bit, and I was wondering why. And Yo, this has got to be it right here. I don't know what the F, but so it looks like this gasket here broke, and dude tried to like silicone it back together. But golly. And it's not even in the groove, like it's hanging off the groove. So of course oil will just seep right into the spark plug hole and give me those hard starts once in a while. Like, I don't know, jeez Louise. Oh my God. What the hell is going on here? I have no words.
The next day.
My garage is a mess. That's how you know I was going to work. All right, so this is the next day. I finally put everything back together, valve cover. I honestly was too tied up to freaking record everything. It was a lot of hiccups, but I was also overdue for an oil change, so knocking that out right now. Just put on the filter and drained all that soy sauce out of my car. Yeah, that shit was pretty black. But yeah, now we're gonna top it up with some 5W40. Know what I mean? Castor oil. Let's go in, baby. Let's go in, baby. All right. Come on, come on. Drink that shit. Drink that shit. Come on, come on, come on. Drink, 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 drink. Arms getting tired. I've done so much maintenance on this thing the past 2 days. I mean, I did the, I put on a new brake caliper, did this whole valve cover and oil change. Take care of your car and it will take care of you. Come on, come on, drink that 5 gallon, drink that, drink that. There you go. Alrighty, alrighty, alrighty. Come on, come on. Drink that, drink that, drink that, drink that, drink that, drink that. I need to research how many quarts this car takes again. Yo, alright, valve cover is done. Right now I'm heading up to Lebanon, West Lebanon, New York. There's a drift event going on up there, and I want to go check it out, hang out, you know, network with some of those guys. You get some inspiration for the E36 drift car. Obviously, I'm not driving, so I won't be drifting in the event, but I want to go see what's going on and just have a good time. See what the vibe is like. This is one of my local tracks, so why not? Yeah, no more leaky valve cover. Still some other things that I gotta get done, but driving, got about 50 minutes left of the drive.
You know what's crazy is I think I see us.